How to download Police Car Driving Simulator 3D. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download the Police Car Driving Simulator in your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, simply head over to the search bar and type in Police Car. Let me just type in Police Car Simulator, and after you type that in, it'll give you a list of different games. So the one that will download is this one right here. It's called Police Simulator Cop Car Duty. You can get this app for free in your Play Store. After you do that, tap on the Get button and tap on Install. After you tap on Install, it should start installing, and depending on your internet speed, it can take some time to download as well. And after it downloads, you can start playing the game. And yeah, that's basically it. Enjoy gaming, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.